This video introduces you to masters. Masters provide the capability to define user interface elements and action sequences in a single definition and instance them anywhere throughout an application. A master may be nested within other masters or within forms. Additionally, masters can be built once and instanced for mobile, tablet, and desktop. In this example, we will take a menu, which you can see here as a layer on top of the primary form elements within this application. I want to reference this master across my entire application. To start, let's right-click on the top-level container and select Create Master. This will create a master and link that master to within the original parent container, in this case, the form. You can see all of the masters that you have created in the Templates tab in the Project Explorer window. Let's select the master. Notice that I am now editing the elements within the master, and none of the changes I am making are being cascaded down to the master reference in the form. If you select the top-level master instance container in the form, you will notice two properties: reference data and reference flex properties. If reference flex properties is set to on, all of the flex layout properties will be referenced from the master and not from the properties set on the master where it is instanced. Let's set the reference flex properties to on. Notice that any changes I make to the master reference are carried over to anywhere the master is instanced. However, since reference data is set to off, notice that any changes I make to the text on the master does not override the data set on the master reference. If I set this property to on, the data is overridden by the master reference. Since I want to create multiple instances of this master across my mobile application, I will have to insert it into the other forms. In this case, select the FRM Claims form, navigate back to the master in the Templates tab, and select Insert Into. This will insert the master into the second form. And now you may edit the master in one place, and any changes made will cascade wherever the master is instantiated. We have seen how you can create UI as a single definition, but you may also create interactions within Action Editor, and those interactions will also be instantiated across your application wherever the master is instanced. Let's add some simple functionality to the master. First, let's create an on-click action to the Home button that navigates to the Home form. Let's also do the same with the My Claims button. When we run the application, notice how the events are triggered on both the forms when we preview in the App Preview app. One of the most interesting features of the Masters framework is the capability to create a single UI definition across mobile, tablet, and desktop. You can see that as I switch between different form factors, the master adapts to the view according to the widget's flex layout properties. You may reuse this master across other application form factors for other channels. Use the Insert option to insert the master across your other application forms. To submit questions, go to developer.coney.com, or for more information about Visualizer, go to coney.com, Products, Visualizer.